is going on?
What's happening?
Jason, we're back.
My name is Jason Grew.
I'm Andrew Lemoyne, guys. We're from CoverageCorp Dealer Solutions, and we're back with another episode of Trade Tuesdays.
Trade Tuesdays.
Had a friend say, you guys going to keep doing this every Tuesday? I'm like, dude, we're not doing enough. Okay?
Come on, man.
This is just Tuesdays. We got some stuff coming on Fridays, too.
Mondays.
Dealer Deep Dive. We're doing it.
Every day. We want to bring something.
We're not doing it enough, guys, so we're going to increase our own activity and hopefully help some of you increase yours. Guys, every Tuesday we're talking trades, and what I wanted to do on this episode of Trade Tuesdays, Jason.
It's a very special episode.
Well, I wanted to show the dealers how easy the consumer app is to use. I actually wanted to show you guys in real time, like, what it looks like when the consumer gets that text message and clicks the link and uploads their car, okay? Look, let me tell you something. Your customers are looking for more engaging ways to communicate with you, okay? They're looking for different ways to shop. They're looking for different ways to get the trade-in value, ways that they're not experiencing at other dealerships. And that is exactly, folks, what Guaranteed Trade does for you. It's going to give you that experience that you need. It's going to help you stand out. And believe me, it's going to help you close more deals, which is what it's all about.
That's what we're seeing across the board, Andrew. I mean, the engagement is there. People are now, it's 2019. We have the cell phones. People who have cell phones usually have cars and they want to trade it in and they want to know what their car is worth.
Right.
So let's
and for those that don't, that's okay. But I think what we're doing, guys, is we are separating the difference between inquiries and leads, because I think there was a lot of lead gen companies that were like, we're getting you leads. It's like, no, dude, you're getting us inquiries. That's not a lead. Okay, I want to separate top funnel shoppers from bottom funnel shoppers. That's what I want to do.
And that's what's happening.
Is what's happening. That's what we're doing. And that's what we're doing. That's exactly what Guaranteed Trade does. So guys, what I'm going to do is we're going to jump over to my phone right now. Power of technology. Check this out. Guys, what we're doing here is we're on our demo site and we're just going to pretend that we're a client shopping for a car and they're on your dealer's site and you've got some sort of Guaranteed Trade call to action. There's a bunch of different ones, by the way. And when you're a Guaranteed Trade dealer, you actually get to, work with the onboarding team and talk about what you want to see on your website, whether it's widgets, banners, all what those, CTAs look like.
Completely customizable.
Totally customizable, guys. We could make the color match your site, whatever you'd like to do. It's your site. Okay, so look, we're going to jump right into this thing. So I'm on a site. I want to know, what is my trade worth? I'm going to click that button. Oh, this is pretty slick and easy. I don't have to type anything. Cool. I've got a 2016 BMW, got an X4. There we go. And I'm fancy, so this is the M package, right? And okay, cool. Look, I've got 34,000 kilometers on this bad boy. My name is Andrew Lemoyne, and we'll just do the contact stuff quickly. Now I'm going to tap calculate. Calculate. Oh, what just happened? Oh, I just got a text message. That's cool.
That's GT.
What is this? Hi, Andrew. To receive a guaranteed trade value for your BMW X4, please capture it using our app.
And you know what? The really cool part is, Andrew, is before you go back to that text, there's a little check there with your name on it.
Yeah,
right?
and it just needs to be filled out. It got me very excited.
Yes, it did.
I'm going to click on this link and see what happens. Okay, guys, so I've just downloaded the app now. You see it on my screen, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click complete my trade. So it's going to ask me to enter my phone number that I entered on the website that it texted the app to. Just going to put my number in, and I'm going to click continue.
There's the dealer's name.
Andrew, to provide you with a guaranteed trade value, we're going to need some info about your trade. This will only take a few minutes. Amazing. I'm going to click continue. First step, let's start off with some photos of your vehicle. Rotate your phone to begin taking photos. This is very, very cool. So guys, I'm just going to rotate my phone right now. Okay. And you could see on the right-hand side, we actually put a silhouette over the camera and we really walk the customer through kind of the angles that we're going to need. And today, ladies and gentlemen, this fine automobile is going to be our 2016.
Is that the M package right there? I see?
This is the M package, Jason. Okay, so I'm gonna snap some photos. So we're gonna go boom, nice. Gonna move on to the front one. We're gonna do the side one.
You gotta see how easy this is, right? People that are taking
this is customers, by the way, are blown away right now. Okay, they're just like, this is freaking cool. I don't get this anywhere else. Okay, and for fun, we're gonna take some photos of Jason. We're gonna do James, and we're gonna do
one of the man.
Truly.
Here he is.
All right. There we go, guys. So
we don't know if we suggest that for the dealers, though.
Wow.
Yeah, fun.
I'm going to click done. Look at that, guys. There's all my exterior photos. I'm going to jump over interior photos, and you see how we do the layovers where we actually ask them what we want to see. Okay, so client's able to see exactly what we need, right on the side. I'm going to get some interior shots of this fine automobile.
It's a photo shoot.
It's a photo shoot, guys. We're having fun. Now look, done. Boom, interior. And then damage photos. We call it to the client. Is there any damage photos? If there is, we need to see it. Look at that. What does it look like? Choose where the damage is. Front bumper. Look at all the options. Okay.
That's amazing.
This is the best. I got a little scuff in the front bumper.
You know, and this is actually tying right into the call where they couldn't provide me.
And that's it for damage photos, guys. Okay. I'm done.
Which photos to take.
Okay.
Right?
Now it needs to know my VIN. Hey, not a problem. Scan the VIN. So guys, if we were outside looking at a real car right now, what the customer is going to do is they've got the option just to click scan VIN, and look how slick and quick that is. Now we're not outside. We're not scanning a real VIN for this demo. So I'm just going to enter a VIN. See how easy that is. Paste. Done. Next. Black. And my interior is black. My options are all pre-populated. If there was a couple ones that didn't come up with my VIN scan, I can add them. Like I've got leather and I've got nav. And you know what? This bad boy does have power seats. I'm going to click next. Condition. You know what? I'm going to say, Jason, this is about a 8 out of 10. I got no accidents. There's no major mechanical issues, and there's no major electrical issues.
It looks good to me.
It looks good. I'm going to click next. Any additional comments that might affect the value of your trade? You know, I'm going to tell the dealer, look, it's a one owner, 2 sets, tires, winters included, depending on offer. Done. Next. Okay. Now I'm going to have one chance to review this. What does this look like? I got my vehicle condition. I've got no accidents disclosed. I've got all my options, my photos. Guys, picture yourself as the customer right now. Okay. Blown away. Look, review and submit to dealer. Let me double check. No, guys, I think everything looks correct. I'm going to click everything looks correct. And boom. Awaiting guaranteed trade value. Guys, this has been sent.
This is it, right? This is the next level.
The dealership. This is the next level. Now, let me tell you guys something, okay? And here's what I see a lot. We as dealers take this kind of technology for granted, okay? Because we've been dealing with some dealer-to-dealer auction apps for the past 3 to 4 years. So you guys are going, well, what's the big deal about this? This might not seem like a big deal to you, but let me tell you something. This is a very, very big deal to your customer. They do not get to experience, you know, outside of standard classified sites, they do not get to experience something like this every day, okay? This is a very special experience, and the feedback we're getting is suggesting that it is, guys. So like I said, we're seeing over a 45 to 55% close on full trade uploads. Absolutely unbelievable.
And we have to remember something, Andrew. This is at the convenience of the customer, right? So we're not telling them, you know, we do want to get them in. We want to have that appointment. But if they can't, then they can do this on their own time, right? And then when they do get to the dealership, guess what happens? Now they're focusing on the vehicle that they actually want to get into.
Right.
Right? So you're actually you're eliminating some of the work that your dealership has to do. Yeah. Obviously, there's an inspection involved, but you have everything you need.
Guys, look, we're giving you some tools. We're equipping you with the solution to handle that trade call. We're equipping your leasing manager with a solution to get the lease maturities in for appraisals. We're equipping you with a solution to stand out from your competition. Guys, this is Trade Tuesdays, CoverageCorp.ca/GT. One more thing I want to actually mention. We have a very special announcement for all of our dealers that are coming to ARC, guys. We're hooking you up with free tickets. That's $1,000 value. Reach out to Jason at CoverageCorp.ca, and he'll give you the instructions how you guys can take advantage of that. We're
You're
very,
speaking
very
there.
excited. Can't wait.
You're
I
speaking
am.
there.
I can't wait to meet so many of you guys. Look, guaranteed trade. Check it out. CoverageCorp.ca/GT. This is Trade Tuesdays. I hope you guys enjoyed that demo of the consumer app. And I think now you guys get to see just how easy that is.
And we're excited.
And you know what? We'd like to show you what the dealer side looks like. So reach out to Jason. Once again, Jason at CoverageCorp.ca.
And we'll do the demo.
We can get you on a demo, show you what the dealer side looks like, okay? And help take your store's trade-in game to the next level. Guys, we'll be back next Tuesday with another episode of Trade Tuesdays.
Trade Tuesdays.